Ondas is one of those charts that looked like it wanted to build a solid base, but over the last couple of weeks, sellers have completely taken control. You can see the market structure shifting from a range into a pretty aggressive downtrend, and that's not something I like fighting. Every attempt to bounce has been met with more selling, and now we're sitting around the 735 area after losing multiple support levels. In my eyes, that's telling us institutions aren't defending this move yet. The first thing I'm watching is whether buyers can actually stabilize price before trying to think about a long position. A lot of traders make the mistake of buying just because something feels oversold, but oversold can stay oversold for a while. I'd rather let the chart prove that demand is coming back than try to guess the exact bottom. The biggest level above is 806, and then 853 becomes the more important resistance. If buyers can reclaim those levels with strong volume, then maybe this starts looking like a legitimate recovery instead of just another dead cat bounce. Until then, I think rallies are probably going to run into supply. On the downside, if 730 starts giving way, then I'd expect more pressure before real buyers become interested again. Technically, the longer term trend hasn't completely collapsed, but the short term picture definitely favors the bears right now. For me personally, this isn't a stock I'm chasing. I'd rather miss the first 5 or 10% of a recovery than get trapped trying to catch a falling knife. Confirmation matters, especially after a breakdown like this. If institutions want this higher, they'll leave footprints, and that's what I'm waiting to see before changing my bias. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.